Hello everyone and welcome to this video on pioneers in education and teaching. I am Dr. Tarpan Shah, physiotherapist and educator, and today we will explore the wisdom of some of the greatest pioneers in education and their transformative ideas. So let's begin with the Aristotle, the Greek ancient philosopher. His idea of education was simple yet profound, the creation of a sound mind in a sound body. He believed that education should not only develop the intelligence but also the physical well-being. Moving forward in history, Sri Aurobindo emphasized the education as a process of building the human mind and spirit. His vision was deeply spiritual, aiming to uplift both the intellect and the soul. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, saw education as a means of drawing out the best in every individual, body, mind and spirit. He advocated for an education that fosters the moral values, self-reliance and the holistic development. Next we have Dr. Maria Montessori, a pioneer in child-centered education. She believed in helping each child unfold their individuality, allowing them to learn at their own pace in a nurturing environment. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, one of the India's greatest philosopher and educator, defined education as the training of the intellect, refinement of the heart, and discipline of the spirit. His contribution laid the foundation for the modern Indian education. Next, Rabindranath Tagore had a unique vision. Education should help the individuals live in harmony with existence. His Santiniketan model blended learning with nature, creativity and freedom. Swami Vivekananda, he emphasized the manifestation of divine perfection already existing in man. He saw education as a mean to awaken the inner potential of every individual. Education is a key to personal and societal transformation, and these pioneers have laid a strong foundation for all of us. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video insightful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.